Now let's see how we can delete a record that has an image. So in here we have the delete button and our delete form where we delete a record. So it will go to our destroy method inside our controller here. Now in here we have to write our logic that if this record has an image, we have to delete it also from our files. So for that, after the first method, after that we fetch the record, in here we will check and see if it has an image or not. So for that we will type if brand image, then in that case storage from facade. Don't forget to add this class if your ID does not automatically include it. Then colon disk public and delete. Now inside this delete function we will pass our path of our image, which is stored inside our record in the column of image. That's it. Now if we go to inside our browser and delete this record, so let's click the delete. Okay, we have returned back to our original page, which means successfully deleted. Now if we go inside our storage folder, so let's go to storage app public brand. In here, as you guys can see, there is no file, which means that the image has been deleted successfully.